Hey everyone, thanks for checking in for another episode of Wray's Garage. Forgive me for sitting down and not moving around too much. I've been in the hurt locker this week. Managed to tweak some sciatica out, which really sucks. So thankfully I had a little bit of footage to put together from last week's autocross, which was just before I went down, so to speak. And so wanted to walk you through the video. It's another autocross video. They aren't terribly popular. So I've done some work here to try and dress this up a little bit, put a little bit more visual interest, some split screen work, and I also invited a buddy of mine who introduced me to the sport down from Chicago to put my car through its paces. And we sure did that, which was just tons of fun. Also put the new tires to work, and they are far from looking new anymore. Anyway, it was a blast to get Jerry down here. We really wrung out the car. And, you know, there's always a couple seconds left on autocross, just like there's always a couple of extra putts you could have made here, you know, on a golf course. So no need to be disappointed. It was fun. There was a lot of learning to be had, a lot of laughs. And, well, that's about enough of me droning on. Why don't you check out this video, watch Jerry and I take a few laps head-to-head, and see who picked the better lines. Let me just give you a hint up front. I've done this 4 times. Jerry's probably done this 400 times. So I'll take your guesses in the comments below. Other than that, as far as things coming out soon, more projects on the car. I want to give the car a little bit more soul from an auditory perspective. So look out for that video in the next couple of weeks. And until then, thanks a lot for checking in, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye now.